Fastback Life. Thanks for tuning in. Today's episode, we're going to be working on the Charger. I'm going to sand down the driver's side rear quarter panel. We're going to find out how bad or how good that panel is. Then we're going to do a quick walk around of the new vehicle. It's an older car that I got. We'll show you all the ins and outs of that and kind of go through the plans I have for that vehicle. It's kind of like a side project. Since everything is kind of shut down still, I can only go so far with the Charger, and even when stuff does open back up, it might take a while to get the car into certain places to have work done to it when that time comes. So stay tuned, and pretty sure you're gonna like what you see. Alright guys, so I'm about to sand down the driver's side quarter panel here, and I'm just gonna go through a quick viewing of what it looks like before I start, and then we can take a look and see if there's any patches, which I think I can see a patch already. So here we go. Alright, not too bad here. Gas door back doesn't look too bad, but then you get down here and you can see there's a patch. Wheel well doesn't look too bad. There's a hole there, but then it looks like someone did another patch here. She's pretty rough down below, but up top doesn't look too bad. So I'm gonna sand her down and we'll find out how bad it really is right there. Alright guys, so as you can see, I'm over halfway. I've got a good chunk yet to go. You can see I've almost gotten to that patch. The worst spot right here on the wheel well is right there. It looks like they tried to pull out a dent here, and this is our patch. Yeah, so I don't know what's up with these two holes here, but starting to rust through on the original car. This is the patch in the past, rusted out. I think that might be original car back there, I'm not sure, but you can see where they have the rivets coming through here all the way down. I'm assuming it's underneath as well. Use a lot of filler. You can see that I was actually chipping it off the car because it was so thick in some spots. Get a look at the inside. You can see where the patch is there. Yeah. Yikes. So surprisingly, I mean, yeah, there's a dent here, patch, wheel lip, dent. We get into the other patch, but I mean, it looks pretty good, feels good, except for those spots, of course. So The next bit will be more time lapse of me sanding the rest of that down. Yeah. Alright guys, so just got done sanding my old panel here. As you can see my patch there. I've got a bunch of stuff right here over the wheel well. That big patch, which is pretty bad, and then the dent, the patch, wheel well, all this, and then the patch. So that's the way she's looking. Come to find out, I wasn't running the most extreme grit, so I went to the store and got some stronger stuff and eats through the paint real quick. So went a little bit faster than last time. I'm gonna sand it down a little bit because there's still like some paint, it's still here. And I'll sand it down all the rest of the way, but this will be it for tonight. Alright, here we are. So I'm pretty sure you all been waiting for this. I'm gonna do a quick walk around of the vehicle that I got here. It's nothing like absolutely mind-blowing, but it is gonna be like a little side project. It is rough, so let's keep that in mind. But I guess here we go. This right here is a 1967 Oldsmobile Tornado. And she is rough. The vinyl top is pretty much gone, and front end looks pretty good though. It is dirty. That paint is not original. From what I understand, everything was pretty much here. Big 425 cubic inch. This car is front wheel drive. You can see a weird transmission setup that runs the front wheels. So yeah, it's dirty, that's for sure. Go from this side here. Yeah, she got some flat tires. It's been sitting for 10 plus years. So the tires are shot, needs new tires. But I mean, other than that, I mean, there's some rust here and there, but I thought it would be actually worse than what it was. The inside is rough as well. It's pretty dirty, so it's gonna need a lot of cleaning. A lot of cleaning, and the headliner's shot. But I think it'll be pretty easy, just clean and a lot of chemicals to get rid of the smell. Can't get in the trunk yet. Just when I get in the trunk, you guys all see that. But I guess this works out. I mean, the channel is fastback life, and I guess that could be considered a fastback. That roof goes all the way down to the rear end. Pretty interesting back end here. And alongside the van. Can't get in the driver's side. I don't know if its mechanism is messed up or whatnot in there, but there she be. So it's gonna be a little side project. 3 main things I want to do is get it running, if at all possible. Clean out the interior and make it drivable. So that would mean tires, brake lines, and maybe converting the front end to disc brakes. But yeah, that's the mystery car that I've been trying to get to my house. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. We did some work on the charger. Got to see the patches on that thing. I'm getting tired of seeing patches, but whatever. And then we got to see the mystery vehicle, the Tornado. Let me know what you guys think about the Tornado. You know, what do you think I should be doing with it? And like I said, it is rough, so I've got a couple things in mind, but I don't know how far I really want to go with it. But if you have any ideas, let me know down in the comments below. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more. I plan on having some videos about the Tornado, and then of course more videos of the Charger. So hope to see you again. Hope you enjoyed. See you guys later.